Ibira Gitabiri na nataka muandike itare. It's a matter of time. That is a scandal in any constituency. Let me tell you number one.
Yeah.
Have you ever asked yourself inge Ibira Gitabiri biko korega asipotuko? Kwa vile mugasa biko remebara.
Gose nali abantu batari kwenye kwa vichanda. Ali gasia okole kana bi. What do you think?
So are we bringing another method yo kwa jibara? Yeah, no me there is no another place in the world jibara jiko mubutuko tinarora. I have done a lot of studies in also man online na research. Tinarora as a country somewhere jibara jikaro kwa rubutuko.
Tochanua ngo. Why?
Let me tell you.
Yes.
Number one, and if somebody want to challenge me, let them bring this in public. Number one, a contractor they will supply Ibira Gitabiri. Oyo maga bid 445 million.
Okay.
Oyo ndaga bid 895 million. The law of procurement under the 2015 Public Disposal and Procurement Act. Igego tebiaza no mundo kwa iwe tender is the lowest bidder. What criteria did the CEO of the county use? Kwa amount 895. That is a question for another day. Number two, Ibira Gitabiri mbira registered. Kwa wale viwete number, check something ama number account. Have you seen even one? And by there I'm even told chigunie chiko around ikotanga abantu mbaka chibicha udiko expose na mbia kiri mbibete mbibwate number. Okay. NTSA has not registered those tractors. Number 3, tractor jinjibote insurance. Lero igachira the moment to chimu bitoroka boko. Without person be paid was almost to look bagara bali bako birma bako operate.
Onye tayari kwate bire ngabantu bara bago tanga ngagito kuchikumanya ngantu ake.
So that is information the public does not have. So okwabo ligoro yemo omo senator.
Yes.
Nana kiate Getembe secondary. What he was alleging and what I'm alleging and so many unalleged stories can end up being true. But the biggest monster in the house is why did the highest bidder got the tender? And if somebody is challenging this, let them give us. They put the public the contract into the public. The entire procurement, the tendering process from stage A to stage Z.
Gobwate ese biragitebye byo mushimiwa boss.
Yes.
Kiabete because ntu arengo ekara biko lonjiku. Ne biragite ne bingi byarenge. Kiabete nga kere word konya lede biragita byaye.
Very good, thank you. And by that is what we
propose.
Biragita mbio. Oto propose tiga monyo. Oto atebete iga biragita biche byande kiri sub county. Na ande myemono wate birumura line byarenge bingi. I know biroche bire bingi. Have you using them?
But tinda fuate.
Mbio. Because ibira ndoko manya.
No, for real. Tinda.
Mbio.
To be honest, tinda kora botuki. Ukweli. Tinda kora botuki manya. Njebete no obire parking.
Let me tell you ibira kitabia renge gocha. Otu abegete chitipa about 15. Kile subcongo no yarenge chitipa ko seni satu. I will check, I might not be accurate.
Yes.
I'm just giving
an estimate.
An estimate. Yeah. Arabu chikire de isatu. That one I think they are 100%. Futu abegete isatu.
Kere what?
Kere sub county.
Obe kere sub county.
Kere sub county kere de isatu nechi nyingi sana.
Oh yeah, sure.
Nechi nyingi sana. Arabu excavators.
Ibere.
Tu wana
Kere sub county.
Kere sub county arora. I think yemo.
Yes.
Mimi machine hizi charo about 60 something. Zilikuwa mingi, zilikuwa zinafaa zikuwe mingi. Na matipa zikuwe about 15. Jojo kasomba imechanga. Those machines are not there. We can't see them, we can't trace them. Nobody knows what happens because the people of Kisii okonya babisire. Information here nyingi, if there is something in the current county government, the best thing. No kubisa information from the public. But you know, kuna usema cha kuvunda la kuvunda alina ubani endo yo tioko na wekune kaboire wikaiko ndo kike so there is a serious scandal. Elesi bila gitebi lakini musikone manyekane